Here we go.
Hello and welcome to Money on the Floor Currency Trader. Right now I'm trading my funding talent account, which is with Purple Trading. I had a little drawdown last two days ago. I was trading mostly $100,000 accounts, and I went to 25,000 and found that drawdown comes up pretty fast on a small account, so I had to bail out of all my losses and pulling back now. So right now I got still got quite a bit I'm trading, got 20 lots, but we're going one directional. So I found the trade, it was across the 20, pretty strong, so I got in. I was looking to gain some of this back. We're already, almost $800 back. See how far we can get. Hoping to at least get down to take profit, which would be this blue line, the inside of the triangle. And also we have resistance down here at the two green lines. And this is the template I'm using. It's also got the RSI on it, which is telling me that we broke the 50. We're moving down at this point. Everything's looking really good. We also got the other RSI, which is colored, which is telling me from this point it's been going downhill. I have the iPanel trend telling me we're 73 to 27 down. And if I look at the Euro US dollar, the dollar is definitely stronger. So, and we have colored candles. So everything's telling me down. So that's why I went all in on this trade and see how we can do. But it's definitely not easy trading the prop firm's money, because it's a lot of money, and what happens is we get larger trades and mentally it will mess with you. So hang in there. If it is, start to trade smaller. It's easier to say, hard to do. That I understand. Look at my trading. But when you get the right trade, you got to go in. So what I try to do is trade smaller, but when I find a good trade, I jump in it with all I can. But now when we close above my price, I'm out of this trade. I will close there's no problem. I will take a loss, and I was wrong. Basically, if I close above the 20 EMA, I'm out. Right now we're underneath it. We're moving down, still looking strong. I'm hoping to gather up at least $1,500 towards part of my loss and come back. Doesn't mean it'll happen. It means I'm hoping it will happen. Never assume that everything's going to work out. You need to know where your bailout point is. Very important, especially with trading large lots. You let this even go against you a little bit, you'll be in trouble. And that's the key with any trading. Do not let the candles go against you and drag your money down. And I've done it. We've all done it. We all have done it before. It's human nature to hold on to a losing trade, thinking, oh, we got support there, we got resistance, maybe we'll bounce back. But you can't do that. You can't take that chance. You'll do fine one or two times, but the third time it'll wipe out your account and they'll take it away from you, and you won't be able to trade, or you'll lose all your money. I mean, if you're trading your own money. But the prop firm is definitely the way to go. For a small amount, you can trade their money. I think I only paid $165 for their aggressive. So now I'm trading their money. The most I got to lose is the $165. So it's not too bad. It's actually the only way to go, to be honest. I wish I would have had this back when I was learning. I wouldn't have spent all the money that I did spend on live accounts trying to learn. So it does have a good thing about it. Yes, if you can't trade and you can't be responsible with your money management, and you have bad entries and you let the candles run against you, yes, you will lose your account, but you would do that with live money too. So the whole idea is to learn about money management, learn about your trade rules, about your trading plan, how you go about, where you get in, where you get out. And it can be very simple. And my basic trading is just with the 20 moving average. Across the 20, I'm in. A break of the 20, I'm in. If I go back below and I break below and the next candle's down, I'm out, but it did not. It went back up, seeing how it works. So that's really the easiest way to trade it. So, and all I did is put arrows in here that have moving averages on them that I like, so that when they coexist with what I'm seeing on my charts, I'm happy, I'm content. As long as the RSI stays underneath 50, I can stay calm. I see that break up, I see my candles moving up, I move above this EMA, I'm out. This button here has a close sell feature. I would just hit that button, it would close all my sells now, I'm done. Take the loss, walk away, let it recover, come back the next day trading. And the key too is, if you're going to do the prop firms, have more than one account. So if you do get close to your limit trading, like your losses, you can stop for that day. let the thing cool down, come back again tomorrow. You can go on to another account and still trade that one. So your day is not done if you have more than one account. If you just have one, yeah, you get near your limit, you're done. You have to back off. Happens. Sometimes the trade is even working out, but the pullback is too strong, and you start to panic and you bail out. Now you have losses of, let's say, $1,000. You're only allowed to lose $2,500. And your next trade, it does the same thing. It's just bad luck. And now what happened is you're so close to your losing your account, you have to stop trading it. So that's why it's best to have two accounts. I highly recommend it. And obviously, the bigger the account, the more you can lose, the more time you got to save yourself. But still, if you're trading large, it's gonna be the same in any account. And definitely, the 25,000 is the cheapest and most economical. So do that one first to learn. Once you get the hang of that one, then you can bump up. That's what I recommend. Now, I went right for the 100,000, and now look, I'm bumped down because I was having a little bit of a hard time with it. So I wanted to try the 25,000. I definitely recommend the aggressive because I like having that 10%. And it's definitely a different way to trade. It's not like normal trading. But if you treat it like normal trading, you'll be okay. But the problem is we don't. We get in there and we see this large amount of money and we think we have more room. You don't. We think we do. We don't. That's why you need the line in the sand. Crosses that line, I'm out. Stays underneath that line, goes down, I'm in. And when I get to enough profit, I close the trade. That's all there is to it. May not get down here, but I'm happy with $1,000. If I can get $1,000 back from my $2,500 loss the other day, I'm happy. Keeps me in the game. I'm also trading $100,000 aggressive, which is doing very well. I had a little setback, but I've pulled out of that, so I'm super happy. There's definitely a large learning curve with this, so I think I've gotten my way through it. And I definitely want to teach everything that I learned to you guys, so it'll make, because you're going to go through it too, but it'll definitely make it easier for you hearing somebody that's gone through it. So as you're going through it, you know how to handle it. That's all. It's pretty crazy. But trading is. Anytime you don't want to work for a living and you want to trade for a living, life gets a little crazy. But nothing wrong with that. It's all stable, Mabel. It's just you need to get control of yourself, your mind, how you trade, all aspects of it, and you're good. Because no longer is it gambling. It is a sign to get in and a sign to get out. That's it. If you treat it like that, you're fine. If you listen to other people and you only go by what they say, see, I hear people saying things. They'll say Euro US dollar is a great sell trade, so I'll go look at it. Okay, I see my arrow, I see my trend line, I go up to do my large day chart analysis, everything's looking great, I'm happy, I'm in. But without that, I don't trade. No. So we're coming up on my profit target, so I should quit talking and start trading, I think. Let's see, either we're gonna pretty close. I hit 1500. I'm just gonna close the trade. I mean, it may go more, but I don't want to give back anything I got, and that's usually what happens if I don't close the trade. So let's see. And we do have commissions on here. It's $40 for each 5 contracts, so that's $160, and it's actually worked out in here. You'll see that's not in here. So I'm up 1335. But you can see how easily you can make money with this. Now, once you get your live account, you don't have to trade like this anymore. You can just trade for the $500 a day or $600, and you get $500 clear every day. That is so easy to do. But since we're trying to get the live account and we're pushing the account a little bit, trying to get that 20% every time, this is what happens. But just imagine once we get the live account how easy life will be. And that's the dream. I got 3 other friends that are trading it. I got a bunch of other people I talk to, and we all have the same dream. So, and we're all going to get there together. See, we're almost there. $13.75. We're getting real close. I'm ready to push the button. Let's go. Sometimes it drops so fast you can't push the button. You're just out. You actually make more than 1500. And that's okay too. I just want to make sure I get my 1500. That'll make me happy. That's my goal. You need to have a goal. And you need to have a number in your head where you're going to get out at. We're almost there. We're getting real close. One more push down. I think we got it. The problem is it could push back up. It could bounce off this trend line, which would be resistance, and take me back up. And I don't want that. So I'm prepared. 4, 8, 12. So it looks like I need about $400 a pair, so we're almost there. That would put me at 1600 minus some fees. Pretty close. We're at 1375 and climbing. This looks like we got one more push down. I see the candle going, but I don't see the money moving. That's weird. There we go. Thank you. Freaking me out there a little bit. Oh, wow. We're going too far. Sorry. There we go. Got her. Let's see where I'm at now. So now I'm back up to 24,300. Pretty good. I got a lot of that money back. Let me see what we did. We got, oh, we did great. We got 445, 495, 485. So we got a lot more than what we thought. So that would be 8, 16, almost $2,000. So that's great. And it may still go more, but you gotta know when to push the button. You know, like those little one-eye guys yelling, push the button, push the button. So anyway, guys, have a great day. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this helps you. I'm still getting together a package. I'm just trying to get through my accounts too. It's a lot to go through. It's a lot of learning, and I definitely want to help all you guys with this. So hang in there. I'm coming up with something. Have a great day, and let's make some money in the markets. Bye-bye.